Hey all, it's James, and we're back here on this rainy Kentucky day, and I'm going to show you our newest project. So this is our cabin duplex, and I'm calling it a cabin because you can see here these great wood beams that are in here in the living room. These are really awesome. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, each side around 1,500 square feet duplex. So we're going to look at one side here that's vacant right now. You can see it needs a major trash out. So they left us this nice little TV console. It's going to be fun to get rid of. You know, lots of trash around. But I'm going to show you guys everything that we're going to do on this throughout the whole project. So there's going to be multiple videos. This will be a series. And we're going to show you all the numbers and everything that we've done to get this rented back out, back on the market, and me to get my money back. So a couple things, a couple patches. We're going to go in. We're probably going to repaint. So the reason we're going to repaint is that we got a lot of trim here, and even though it gives it a lot of character, you can either poly these because they've never been poly before, or we're just going to go back white trim. Mine, we have pretty standard paint colors, so white trim on the doors as well, white, and we have a Revere pewter match color that we do on the walls. So you're going to see how much better this is going to look when we get that done. A couple little stains on the ceiling there. A little hole there we got to patch. Might update these light fixtures, maybe not. We'll see. Power is off right now because we're in between tenants. Just wanted to give you an overview of what it looks like now, though, so you can see the before and after. So here's the bathroom. Unfortunately, a little dark, no power. Always in all your rentals, always check for coins. People leave coins, I don't know why, all the time. So, bathtub. It's got a full bathtub downstairs. Good size bathroom right off when you come in. So laundry area, here's your washer dryer area. This is pretty rotted out. We're gonna have to go back, fix all this, and you can see here might have to do some plumbing work here as well. That's dripping. New wash box. So you can go in here. Here's what I would consider kind of the master. More trash, obviously. Always trash in rentals, right? When people move out, my landlords kind of get a what in the comments, because they know what I'm talking about. But yeah, this is what happens. We got this duplex. Guy didn't have a lease. He didn't have any deposits, nothing. So I knew the risk whenever we had people move out that we were going to eat all this. But that you just factor that in your numbers. Going to look at the doors here, get them reattached on, possibly look at hardware on the ceiling fan. So, we're going to leave the kitchen for a little bit. We're going to go back in the living room with these awesome beams. So you can see, once again, trash out, still needed. Not a big deal. This fixture here, I don't know. Like, I think I'm going to keep it. It's pretty cool. It kind of matches the wood beams, but I just like stuff a little more modern. That's just me. We do have some patchwork here. There was a prior leak in the roof. It is raining right now, so I'm not seeing any leaks, but we'll definitely keep an eye on that. But we need to patch it, clean it up. Off the living room, you get a nice little patio deck area. Just clean it up. I think it'll be fine. We're gonna go in with all new locks here as well, and we're gonna move into the kitchen. You can see the kitchen here. For a rental for this area, it's probably not too bad. Needs to be cleaned up. Might have to do new hardware. We are missing one handle there. A couple things. Just clean up. Fix this drawer here. Not a big deal. All the burners, I don't know because the power's off. So just showing that. We're not really sure, but I think it probably works. I mean, Whirlpool's not too bad. I just want to make sure all of this is off for when the power does come back on. In here, we're having a little bit of soft floor, so gonna have to look into that. Might come in here, redo the subfloor a little bit. It's pretty soft right here in the middle. I know that's kind of hard to come through on the camera, but I have to look at that. So nice little pantry off the side here. Have to clean that out. Not a big deal. So, oh, everybody knows fridges, rough. Not excited about this one. because already I can tell that it's smelly. So we're gonna approach this one with caution. I can already smell it. Oh man, yeah, with the power off. Just tons of bugs. Look at all that. I'm trying to hold my breath. Yeah. Woo! That is some old chicken in there. Yep. So, maybe we can keep the fridge. Unsure. Probably. Not worth keeping. Go in with a new fridge there. Oh, God. Yeah. Whew. Oh. Oh. God, it's so strong. Why is that so strong? This one is this is a champ here. I don't get too many fridges that are this bad for some reason, just because it's got everything left in it. But we're gonna try here. Let me catch my breath. Alright, hold my breath as long as I can. Here's the fridge. Yep, seeing lots of bugs. Lots of nastiness in there. Oh God. Gotta close that. Whew. Okay. Whew. We survived this one. That was a rough one. That was a really rough one. Oh, we're gonna come upstairs now though. We're gonna show you guys this. This is an awesome space up here. Nice little kind of den area. You can see. Still need to clean everything out, but this is a nice little sitting area. You know, sit down, read a book like the people have done in the past. Put a little couch there. Might give you guys another overview when I get the power back on so we can see it, but I just wanted you to see it in its prime. You know, with what we have to deal with is removing all this stuff, get some nice before and afters of this. But here's a bedroom. Probably need new sliders on the closet there. Sometimes you can go without. We might go without. Little patchwork there we need. Probably check the attic as well for some pests, some vermin. Probably be okay. Light fixture there we're probably gonna change out. We'll see. That one's in pretty good shape. Other bedroom, pretty decent shape. Still got the doors. Major clean out, as you can see. Christmas stuff. Always lots of Christmas stuff, right? I don't know why. So bed, Christmas tree, other things we need to get rid of. Not too bad. There. So bathroom. I know this is really dark, so I'm gonna do my best. Here's the sink, vanity area. Everything's pretty good. Like structurally wise, it's fine. This will be a clean up and clean up in the shower area there. Not too bad. May do some new lighting and fixtures. Hey, see me? There. Overall, wasn't too bad. So a lot of our work's probably going to go into painting. Okay, I think the paint's going to really make a big difference here. Obviously, clean out. May try to keep the carpet, may not. I don't know. We're still debating that a little bit. It maybe could be cleaned up, but it's got several spots here that we're going to have to. So, unfortunately, that's when my camera stopped working. But basically, I'd shown you everything that I wanted to. There was just one part with the carpets of where they were actually kind of torn. I think we're going to be able to stretch those out. And a couple little stains on there, but those should steam clean out as well. Other than that, that's pretty much the whole property. So, if you have any other BRRRR projects that you're working on, definitely leave me a comment down below because I want to know how your projects are going as well. This is part 1 of a series. And our next video will show a little more of the renovation project and like kind of some of the products that we're putting in. But if you really enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. That really helps us out. And stick around and give us a subscribe because Freedom Rental Properties is helping you build your financial freedom through real estate.